Assalamualaikum and good afternoon everyone. Today I will be presenting about workplace safety in the fiberglass laminating workshop. Before I start my presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nur Fasha Najwa binti Muhammad Muslim. I am studying Diploma in Maritime Management and I'm from Unity Almimat. Introduction. The main focus of this case is an accident where one worker was injured and had to be hospitalized. Because of this, a task force was formed to prepare a hazard audit plan, including findings and proposals to improve safety. Our audit will focus on checking the safety of machinery and the overall workplace condition. We will also apply HIRAC, which stands for Hazard Identification, Risk Assessment and Risk Control, to investigate the incidents and reduce the risk of future accidents. This introduction gives us the background and the importance of our study before moving on to the next section. Next, scope of audit. We will observe compliance with safety and workplace rules such as personal protective equipment usage and compliance with standard operating procedures. We will inspect the laminating machines and related equipment to check their working condition, identify potential hazards, and assess if any maintenance or servicing is required. Now, I will explain the objective of our audit at the fiberglass laminating workshop. Hazard identification. The first objective is to identify hazard in the fiberglass laminating workshop. This includes examining activities, materials, and equipment that may pose risk to worker safety and health. Risk assessment. The second objective is to assess the safety and health risks faced by workers. We will evaluate the likelihood and severity of potential incidents caused by this hazard. Risk control. The third objective is to propose hazard controls that will create a safe and healthy workplace. This will follow the hierarchy of controls: elimination, substitution, engineering controls, administrative control, and use of PPE. Monitoring and evaluation. The final objective is to plan monitoring and evaluation systems. This ensures that controls remain effective over time and helps to prevent accidents or occupational illness in the workshop.
For this audit, our strategy is to make sure the fiberglass laminating workshop is safe, compliant, and follow the laws. We start with planning and checklist preparation, and then continue with staff interview, document check-in, and hazard identification. After that, we did risk assessment and control, and finally post-audit monitoring. This is our audit team, which consists of 4 members: Nur Farah Ishira, Nur Elisha Amani, Nur Diana, and Nur Fasha Najwa. Each of us was assigned to different tasks, such as site inspection, interview, document check-in, and risk control. For the audit form, the company audit is Fiberwork Industry on 25 May 2025. Some of hazard identification includes skin irritation from fiberglass, chemical foam inhalation, and hand tool injuries. The control mentioned suggestions are wearing gloves, safety goggles, and full PPE, which means personnel. For the HIRAC form, the audit was at Fiberworks Industry in the fiberglass laminating workshop. It was carried out on 25 May 2025 by our team members and approved by the CEO Muhammad Nur Kamaruddin. The review date was 27 May 2025, and the next review is on 2 June 2025. Thank you.
Our audit has identified several possible injuries, such as eye injuries, which is caused by direct contact with chemical or fumes, skin injuries such as irritation, allergies, or burn due to chemical exposure, burn injuries which may occur from flammable liquids or vapor, respiratory tract infection which can result from inhaling harmful fumes like epoxy vapor. Next, we did a risk assessment. From the metric, we can see that eye injuries are in the medium risk level, skin injuries and burn injuries are in the medium to high risk level, respiratory tract infection is at a high risk level. This shows that without proper control measure, workers are exposed to significant risks. To comply with the law, we refer to the Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994, Act 514, Section 17, state the duty to safeguard not only employees but also the visitor and the public. The penalty for the non-compliance can be fined up to 50,000 ringgit Malaysia, 2 years imprisonment or both. Under the Class Regulation 2013, failure to classify, label, or prepare SDS for hazardous chemicals can lead to a fine up to 15,000, 1 year imprisonment, or both. The implication is clear. Employees must work more carefully, stay tidy, and comply with the law.
Now, we move to hazard control proposal. From our audit, we identified a few major hazards. For eye injuries, workers should wear safety goggles. For skin and burn injuries, the use of coverall suit is important. To reduce respiratory risk must be worn. And for general safety, regular training, housekeeping, and PPE inspections are necessary. As shown here, this follows the hierarchy of control starting for elimination down to proposal protective equipment. Other hazards, besides those, we also found other hazards. Noise hazard can be controlled by using earplug. To prevent slip, trip, and fall, spill must be cleaned immediately. For hand or tool-related injuries, tool guards should be installed. By following this control, we can minimize risk in the workplace. Cost. Next, here is the estimate cost of safety equipment. Full face covers, 35 units at 40 ringgit each, total 1,400 ringgit. Coveralls, 35 units at 100 each, total 305,000 ringgit. Chemical glove, 35 units at 22 each, total 770 ringgit. This gives us a total investment that ensures worker protective and safety. In conclusion, the audit found several hazards such as eye, skin, and respiratory risks. With proper control such as PPE training and safe procedure, workplace safety can be improved and accidents can be reduced. That's all from our group, and thank you.